In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zendesk to N8N. This is a great way to automate your workflow and streamline tasks. And I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that nothing is left unclear. First, we begin by accessing your credentials in the N8N interface. Start by navigating to the Credentials option from the left sidebar. This is your go-to area for managing all the connections you'll set up within N8N. Once you're in the Credentials section, it's time to create new credentials. Look for the Create New button, which will allow you to add a fresh set of credentials specifically for Zendesk. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select your credential type. In this case, you want to choose Zendesk because that's the service we're going to connect with N8N. Now, on to the next vital aspect, the authentication method. It's crucial to select OAuth 2 because this method provides a secure way to authorize your Zendesk account with N8N without sharing your password. OAuth 2 is an industry-standard protocol, and it ensures that the communication between Zendesk and N8N is encrypted, adding a critical layer of security to your integrations. Setting up OAuth 2 credentials involves a few steps in the Zendesk Developer Console. You'll want to refer to the Zendesk Node documentation available in N8N for complete guidance on how to do this. It will have all the specific instructions you need. Don't forget to enable the Zendesk API for your project. This is a crucial step as it ensures your N8N workflows will have the necessary permissions to interact with your Zendesk data. Now, once you have your OAuth 2 credentials, such as the client ID, client secret, and the OAuth 2 redirect URI, you're ready to enter them into N8N. Go back to the Credentials Configuration section in N8N and input these details. This will establish a secure connection between Zendesk and N8N, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. Once everything is entered, make sure to click Save. This action will store your Zendesk credentials securely within N8N. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Zendesk to N8N and opened up a world of possibilities for automation within your workflows. This connection can help reduce manual data entry, decrease errors, and give you more time to focus on strategic tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.